Hi everyone, welcome to the screening room. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the Library and Information Science Source database hosted by EBSCO to find the best research for your projects. We'll start in the first box with our main topic. For example, mine is going to be media literacy. In the second box, I'm going to add digital citizenship. I'm also changing the dropdown in this all fields dropdown to subject so that it knows to look for subject terms. This is a great tip because it tells the database to prioritize articles where this is a primary theme rather than just a passing mention within a different theme. Before we search, I'm going to use the sidebar to filter our results. I'm going to click full text so we can read the articles right away and scholarly peer-reviewed so that we know the research has been vetted by experts. I'm also going to click the past 10 years for the publication date. That allows us to know that the research is more recent. Now that we have our options clicked, which of course there are plenty more if you would like to go through them, publication type, document type, languages, ISSN if you know it, I'm going to click search. There are 13 results for full text and peer-reviewed articles that are relevant to media literacy and digital citizenship. Let's click this one, Educating and Platform Societies from Digital Citizenship to Public Values in a Connected World. First thing we see is the rundown. It's the title, where it was published in, the database used, and who the author is. You have access now for PDFs and download options. Then you have your details, your additional information, who the authors are, their contact information, sources, the exact volume and issues and pages and paragraphs in which the source can be found on, document types, the subjects. As you can see, there's more than just what I'm looking for, which can absolutely add value, the author supplied key terms, and the abstract. When you find an interesting title, click into the record and check the abstract. It's a quick summary that helps you decide if the article fits your needs before you spend time downloading the whole thing. So basically, you want to give a run through of the abstract to make sure that's exactly what you're looking for. You can see the author affiliations, the ISSN, the DOI, the accession number, and you get a preview of the entire article. So if you're really wanting to go through the entire thing, make sure that it's relevant, it is right there for you without having to download it. If you find that your source is exactly what you want, you can click Access Now, and it'll take you to the PDF. You can download it from here, or you can go back and click Download right here. It'll just immediately pop up, and you click Download. Next, I want to show you how to use the advanced search, again, with 3 terms. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to leave all my options selected because I know exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to click high school. Fantastic. There is one option with all 3 of my searches. So I would click that and I would give it the same exact rundown. I'd check that everything's what I'm looking for. There may be some subjects that are a little different than what I'm looking for. So with that, I would read the abstract. And then if I wanted to further determine if this is the article that I am going to use, I would give this a quick read. Skim, download it, do whatever you need to do to verify that this is something that you want to use, and then go from there. And that is how you use EBSCO.